And is it quite centered?
Yeah, if I look at myself here, yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
Right, wasn't it?
Leg, please.
Lovely Ben, lovely stuff.
But that one didn't swing.
No, it just was right there too. Just kind of go straight. They didn't really gonna put any effort into it. I just missed it. Wait, league player, yeah? Saturday League, Teddington.
League, first team, Teddington.
Yes, yes, yes! This is exactly what you're worried about. He's going to bowl one straight and it's cool quick.
That guy hits as clean as hitting I've seen it in a while. It's pretty clean.
Yeah, he's a good bowler. Bowling quick. Yes, yes, yes! Well played. Don't worry about this. Perfect, right? Played well. This guy is not quick, but he's swinging the ball. Yes, 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 yes. Go, go, go.
What a shot!
Dude, it was half jack shot, mate.
Oh yeah, that's better, Ben. That's much better, bud. Swing that.
No, single, single, single. Yes! Got lucky, got lucky, got lucky. Oh my god. Oh shit, man. Sorry, Waller. So one there, 2, 3.
Lovely.
I think what made it even better was the forlorn dive at the end.
Forlorn dive after the ball had gone. Did that get caught on camera?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
Probably.
There you go.
Look at the beautiful view today.
Oh!
Wait. Yeah, do. Your call. Do.
Riding my luck.
That way you're picking your fielders. Dive! It's real!
Come on, Bob.
Good place.
Knew it was coming.
While you're batting, we're not going to get any drone action. So
I
you
will.
need to get out and then get the drone out.
Yes!
Why did we take the gully out?
What a placement.
Unlucky, Ben. Gonna go down the track.
Well played, dude. Beautiful inning. Well deserved. Great 50.
I mean, well done, but I wish I had. Lucky, Ben. Lucky, buddy.
And try and stay in position.
Super single.
Good bowling, Ben. Unlucky.
No worries.
Going down the track again.
Do.
No.
What way to go 50?
I was more chuffed about the drop catch mate than anything else. Go!
How's that? I suppose you can
Probably gonna.
Whether or not I can catch you if you even hit it there, man.
That's another thing, but I don't think so I can clear it at this pace unless he bowls me a half volley. I'm gonna try and clear it straight now.
Baseball.
Come on, Rob. One in the slot.
That's your favourite tree.
It is.
And you just hit it.
Yes! Yeah! Yes! beauty. Didn't really quite connect it.
Good stuff here, Rob. 2 dots. Precious building.
Nice one. Yeah, but are those some kind of hills or forest?
No, it's just wood.
Wood.
At this point.
Not going, not going, not going, not going, not going, not going, not going. Oh, monster! Woo! What a shot, mate!
Yeah, he's definitely going to look for a single. He's definitely going to look for a single.
He's not a big hitter. Yeah, he's only hit 74.
This doesn't go into the garden.
Come on, boys. Nice and tight. No singles.
That's it.
Too much pressure, too much
Too
pressure.
much pressure now, yeah.
Too much pressure is on.
The way he's got a GoPro and made runs, it's just like best day, right?
When he runs on camera, always
I'll tell you something after this. It's like...
with the scores level. The GoPro pressure. Oh yes, we'll do anyone. Shri, can you grab my thing? Please, I didn't know you were coming
Beautiful
in.
inning.
Hold on.
Pleasure.
We should have started setting up.
Great game, buddy.
Well played.
Well played.
Well played.
Well played.
mate.
Well played. Thank you.
Thanks for looking for my dog.
Well played. Thank you as always.
You could have given up your wicket.
Well played,
for
buddy.
that. Well played. Well played.
When you see the end of the game, your
Well
stomach
played.
starts talking to you.
Well done, buddy.
Well done. Awesome, dude.
Good partnership.
Really responsible batting till the end.
It's such a beautiful deck to bat on, though. It's such a beautiful.
Well done.
You okay, Felix?
Oh, that's it.
What's happening?
Was that you that hit that?
No, I
It was you.
What happened?
bastard.
Show me.
No, it was him.
I just took it on the end. It'll be fine.
Oh,
What colour is it?
It's not that bad. You're just making
sorry. Sorry.
Well played.
4 people sacrificed their opening slots. Oh, you're here. What did you say?
What did I say?
Yeah, what was the first thing you told me?
I said, good job of sacrificing my place.
Yeah.
And then who else was it?
Your score, my score.
And you know who else was it? No, who else was it? One more person said the same thing to me. I sacrificed my place for you. It was like I offered 4 people to open the batting.
The story, you never say no.
Well,
Great batting, guys. Great batting, guys. No, great team effort. Excellent hitting by Pam. Excellent catching, by the way.
Oh,
Yeah, 2 catches.
that quick guy, number 1. It's so nice to play because he comes quite nicely. Good bowler, though.
Because you can just guide him, right? You can just guide him.
just for the record, how many people were offered the opening slot? Just for the record. 1, 2.
You put it for crabs anyway.
Wait.
Yeah, but it was. So
They got tricked though.
LMS this week?
No, next week.
That was LMS today. Now.
I was a little bit nervous, especially when the other guy was bowling. Because I hadn't had it all season. Yeah, and I was like, this is like a little bit like of the spot. If I get out quickly, could mess up. I actually talked on the camera. I'm going to step down, get a 6 to get this 50. I knew that if I don't get it, I don't have to put it. But if I get it, it would be fine. So we missed the dude. The dude would have been like.
But our batting line
Someone else is
solid without him.
solid. Oh,
Who else was dropped on the boundary?
Will be Sergeant today.
we missed the dude.
Best opener in the Sunday League.
Do you get dropped on the boundary as well?
Yeah.
I got really lucky today. I had 2 top 4.
That guy, yeah.
I think maybe the second one probably was hard.
Yeah, the first one he had time to like that.
First one it looked like he took it, but then the last minute.
The second, the one that he dropped me on 49, I hit that really close. I was not expecting him to catch it. Because I knew this. I knew that.
And guess what? Not just 49. It was 1-1-1 for 1.
Ah, Nelson.
Yeah.
One brings 2 here, Ben.